Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress I make in a bot, a Python program that is meant to do some automatic trading on the Nasdaq with the goal to have some passive income. And in a daily report, I show you guys what did I change in the code, how did the bot do, and how are we doing on the market. And if you want to know how we did today, just stay. Good. Before we dive into the code and the changes I made in the code recently, I want to let you know that today I'm a bit different. I had a cycling accident and I have a bruised rib, so I'm not fully up to it. I can't laugh, I can't breathe right. So if you take a look at a painful face, it's because I have pain. So that's at the forehand. Well, let's go to the code. And if we look at the code, what did I change in the code? A lot I did change in the code, and I did almost no changes in the code. That sounds contradictory, but before I'm gonna dive in the code, I want to show you guys the results of today. So I'm gonna go exit and I'm gonna grab the results. And in the results you see, and it's only the last one that I actually see, that we had €7.41 profit, and I see another one of 4.82 profit. But most of the time this week we only see that we made losses and that we hardly made any profits. We're now down to 482, even with this €7.41 profit of the last candle at 9:30. So I killed the bot, so there's no section in this video about how did the bot do, because we're looking at it. I tried to log it, but if you're looking at yesterday and today and the day before, we see that the bot, not the bot, the AI, make bad decisions. And that's not because that the AI make bad decisions, as in he has a high success rate of precision rate and a high confidence rate to make that decision. So he does what it should do, but the results of the last couple of days while testing this, we see we had more losses than we had profits. And last week, and this is, I believe, from last week, yeah. Last week, when I started it, we had a couple of nice profits. So I was thinking about, and that's what I did this week, I'm going to log and I'm going to see which ones are profitable and which ones are losses. And we're going to fine tune, and then we can make more profitable based on the AI. Last week. This week, we see, and if you're following it, you see more red than blue, and I can nothing else conclude that making a profit in the last week was not based on a good decision, but was based on luck. The bot opened a contract based on the advice of the AI, and by sheer luck, we had a profit, we had a profit on sheer luck. So I should say that in that way. Because this week, we only see losses. One loss after the other, loss, and loss. And I know this week we had a slow week, so there was not enough action on the market in one direction, and the bot or the AI did not know that. It was fed. This is the candle, this is the ATR, this is the MACD, and the signal line, and make a decision when the market was normal. And that proved not to be a successful strategy for the AI training. So I killed the bot today, later this evening, after I got some painkillers and felt a bit better. I killed the bot and I went into the code. And let's grab the code again. I went into the code and I added in, after I chatted, of course, with DeepSeek, and I was already planning it because I expected it that this wouldn't work, because the AI has not enough information to make a good decision. So what did I change? I changed in, and then I'm going to show you in the data, and we have the AI training data. Yeah, let's grab the data. 1600. Let's go back up. What I added in the backtest, I restarted the backtest, and I added in the backtest that the CSV not only should store the successful candle that made profit, a buy or sell, led to a profit, buy or sell, but it should also store, and that's what you see in the header right above, is the previous candles. It should also be stored, so the previous one and the one before. So we're back to a 3-candle decision. I added that into the CSV, and I restarted the training of the AI. Where is my AI training? There it is. I restarted the AI training with the new data. Look, that's all I did change, is making a new CSV with training data, and nothing else changed in this code, to train the models with using the previous candle information to make a decision with the current values that are given to him, with the ATR, with the MACD, and with the signal line. And doing so, you see, and that's what you see right down here, the results with the new training again are up to 91% efficiency of accuracy. The XGBoost up 98, and I believe the random forest has a precision of 90 and F1 score of 91%. So the F1 scores and the accuracy scores are again very high, but this time we're gonna make a decision. This time they're gonna need to make a decision not only based on the current candle information, but also with the candle information fed to them from the earlier moments in time. And we're working with 5-minute candles, so the AI can see, are we in an uptrend, are we in a downtrend, what is going on with the values that I have, and make a decision based on that. And that's what you're going to see in the, where is my strategy? Strategy, there it is. In the strategy, I added now that the AI, the input features for the AI includes now the 3 candles, close and open, close, high and low prices, plus the ATR, the current ATR, MACD, and the signal. So it makes only predictions or advice, giving advice based on those 3 candles plus the current ATR, MACD, and the signal. in the hope that this will bring a better result in making a profit or a small loss. We don't know. I don't know. But we're gonna see, because the current way that this is happening, we see results are in for this week, and I want to try it the entire week, but it has no use if we only make losses and we go further and further back into 400, 300 and lower. It has no use if we make 50, 60 euros a week loss only by testing a strategy that has no potential in making profit. That's what I changed in the code. Usually we would go to, what did the bot do? Well, the bot did do not good. He crashed today twice. Once he couldn't get the candle information. That's unusual because I did not change anything and it worked perfectly all night. So there was some kind of a glitch in the API or something that we didn't get the values we needed. And again, somewhere later this afternoon, after I came back from my cycling, then I saw another failure that has nothing to do with the functioning of the bot. At least it should work as it should be without it. What I did see, and again, let's grab, is this the contracts AI data? Yeah. What I see again was that there was no update on the logging, and yeah, of course it has no use right now because we already know that most of the time the decisions of the AI was bad, but I still want to know why it's not updating after the contract ends. So why is he not making this new values available? And I change in the main, no, not in the main pie, in the logging. Where is AI logging? AI logging. I changed that he prints out that the log contract ends is actually activated, because I even wonder if this function is started when it should be started, and it should start. There's no other way. When there is a contract ended, if the balance flow contract status is false, so we are open for business again, then we get the new balance, and then we get the log contract end. In this if statement are three separate three separate things to be done, and so the log contract end is one of those three. So if it does not fire up this part of the logging, then I have to take a look further and see what is going on. Which brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you liked the video. Like, press subscribe, and leave a comment. And have a little fun every day like I did. And see you guys tomorrow.